This
Can you
conference will now be
anyone
recorded.
please confirm to me? Are you able to see my screen or not? Please confirm to me. Hello, are you able to hear me?
Yes, we can see
Yes,
this.
we are able to hear and see your.
Okay, thanks for confirmation. Yeah, today we will discuss the data aspect and database aspect. Okay, as a tester, ETL tester, we need knowledge on databases also. Okay, yeah. What is database? Why we are using? What is table? What is row? What is a column? Like that information we'll discuss. Okay, now it is a collection of database objects. Okay, now yeah, here the coming to database objects. What is database object here? Like in the data, any database will having some database objects, tables, views, macros, yeah, triggers, stored procedures. Okay. Now we will discuss what is table, what is row and column. Okay. Here for the purpose of storing the data like rows and columns. Okay. Now what is row and what is column? Coming to row, here instance of the table. And coming to column here, like each and every table having some attributes, right? Table. Okay. Yeah. Now each SQL having or every SQL having few commands like DML, before that DDL and DML and DCL and then DRL. Okay. Now here coming to DDL, data definition language. Here data manipulation language. And coming to DCL, data controlling language. And coming to DRL, data retrieval language. Why we are using this? Why we are using DML, DCL, DRL? We'll discuss. Okay. Yeah. Perform any kind of operation on structure. Structure means here column names like for example I'm taking student table. Student table, what are the columns? Student ID, student name, student cities, student section, like this. Any kind of operation perform on structure, okay, is called DDL. What are the commands? Create, drop, alter. We are using those three commands. We are updating or deleting or creating anything on the structure only. Okay. Now this one, perform any kind of operation on data means, for example, I will take one example, student table. Here SID, as name, section, and coming to one row A, two Naveen B. Yeah, this called as structure, this called as data. Okay, sometimes we are updating the structure like SID replaced with S underscore ID, S underscore name replaced with S name, like this. And coming to sometimes we are updating A section replaced with C section, right? That operation. Perform any kind of operation on data, we can go for DML. What are the commands? Insert, delete, update. By using those three commands, we are using and updating the data or deleting the data or inserting the data in the particular table. Okay. Yeah. Now DCL. Here giving the access and removing the access. Okay. Like admin will take care those commands. Okay, admin giving some access to particular table, particular person. Grant and revoke. By using those commands, admins will giving the access and will uh, return back to the access. Okay. Now DRL, data retrieval language. Okay. Here retrieving the data from the tables by using DL. Sorry. Retrieving the data from tables by using DRL. What are the command? Select command. By using this command, retrieving the data from the tables. Okay. Now, how to create the table, how to insert the table, and how to update the table, like that we will discuss now. Create a table. What are the command we are using? By using DDL commands only. What are which command? Create command. By using this command, we are creating the table in the database. Okay. Yeah. Here, what are the process? What are the syntax? We'll discuss. Create table. Table name ABC. Within the bracket required column you can mention ID and then data type integer, comma, same way required columns again. Name having characters, right? That is the reason we'll give varchar. Within the bracket we'll give some size like 12 characters only, or 13 characters only, or 15 characters only, based on your request. Okay. Now I will give 12 characters. Only 12 characters only accepted in the name column. If giving the 13 or 14 characters of the name, won't accept. Okay. Now, if required more columns, you can mention like this one. For example, section or anything. Varchar. Within the bracket, two characters. Comma and okay. Yeah. Now, based on this query, we are creating one table. Now, table is ready. Now, inserting the data, we can go for DML command. Which command? Insert command. Okay. The syntax is insert into table name. What is the table name? ABC. Within the bracket, you can mention data. ID 1, comma. If while creating the table, you can mention as varchar, you can mention the data within the quote only, a single quote. RAM and then section. Section also varchar, right? So we'll give quotation. Yeah, like that only. Once select this one, execute In the Teradata, one option is there, control F or F5 button, or one option is there in the Teradata. Okay. When you select this statement and you click on the F5 button, automatically executed. Once this one also. Okay. Now table created, data inserted. Now I want to retrieve the data. We can go for which command? We can go for select command. Okay. Now select star from table name. Okay. Star means all columns, ID, name, section like this. Select a star from table name. Sometimes I want only two columns. At the time, you can go for like this one. ID, comma, name, comma, like this. Okay. When I select this one and click on F5 button, it automatically executed. Okay. Now, how many records inserted before? Only one record, right? Now, how many records it's showing? Only one record only. Okay. Yeah. Now, sometimes I want to update the data. Data means this one, right? At the time, you can go for update command. Sometimes we want to altering the table column names. Like now available is SID, SNAME section. Sometimes we want S underscore ID. Okay. At the time, you can go for which command? Any kind of operation perform on structure. You can go for DDL. DDL which command? Alter command. Okay. Now the requirement is altering the table names. Alter table, table name, ABC. Now I want to add the new column name. Now 1 and 2 and 3 is there. Now I want to add one more column, location. Okay. The keyword is add new column name and data type. Okay. By using this query, we are altering the structure. Okay. Now I want to change the existing column name. At that time, you can go for alter table, table name, rename, old name to rename. Old name is ID and rename is I underscore D. Okay, got my point? Uh, Kumar and Kalyani, can you please mute yourself? Hello, hello, Kumar and Kalyani, could you please mute yourself? Yeah, yeah. Here alter table, table name, rename. You can use rename keyword. After that, old column name to new column name. Okay, like this. You can use this one. And sometimes now how many columns in the table? Total one, two, three, and I added one column, right? Location. Total four columns. Now I don't want select a column. At that time, you can go for again alter command. Alter table, table name, drop column name. Okay. By using this query, We are dropping the particular column, existing column. Okay. Yeah. Now inserting or deleting or updating or inserting and creating and dropping. Any doubts till now? Till now, what we discussed? Create, insert, and alter and drop. Okay. Team, any doubts till now? Team, any doubts? Yeah. Now, updating the data by using which command? DML commands. What are the exact command? Update. By using this command, updating the data. Any kind of operation performed on data, we can go for DML commands. Now, our requirement is updating the data. Update table name, set column name equal to like this, where ID equal to 1. Okay. Based on the ID column, we are updating the data. Where it is here, the existing record 1 is ROM, right? But now updating the data based on the ID column. Ramesh, the latest record updated with Ramesh name. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Same way, delete. Delete from table name. If we are using delete, all the records deleted. By using where condition or particular record wise, we can delete the data. Okay. Delete from the table name where ID equal to 1. Okay. If having any records, for example, if having 2 Sharon and D. Total we have 2 records. Based on the ID column, we are deleting particular records. For example, if we use like this now, here deleting all the records, but I want to delete only particular record like ID equal to 1. Okay, that is the result. Will give like this only. Particular record aspect also will delete the data. Sometimes I don't want the existing table also. At that time, you can go for drop command. By using drop command, we can removing the total table. By using the delete, structure is available, data only deleted. Delete. Data only deleted. Structure available. But coming to drop, data and structure also deleted. Okay. Drop table name. That is the syntax. While executing this one, it automatically table and structure also deleted. By using delete, data only deleted, structure available, like this one is available. Okay, only data deleted, structure is available for delete. Coming to drop, this one and this one totally deleted, data and structure also. Okay, clear? Still, any doubts till now? Any database we have those commands.
So what about truncate, sir?
Truncate means truncate table name. This one also DML here, totally truncating, like deleting the data. Okay, here like pointer information, like each and every record having some pointer. Based on that pointer information also deleted by using this. By using delete command, if each and every record having pointer, that information based on the like that information, we can retrieve the data again. Okay, by using delete. If using truncate, no, not getting the data also. Once deleted, it's not possible to get the data.
So what
Okay,
about structure is available in the truncate?
hello. No, the structure is available. Data only deleted here. Only. Okay,
What in the truncate?
yeah. Team, any doubts till now? Till now we discussed DML, DCL, DRL, DDL commands. If having any doubts, please let me know. I will explain again, or else I will close the session for today. Tomorrow we will continue remaining how constraints concepts. Each and every database having some constraints like a primary key constraint, null constraint, check constraint, unique constraint, like that. Different constraints we have. We'll explain one by one.
Yeah, this is Murali.
Yeah, go ahead.
Uh, Yesterday, is this first class or demo?
A demo. Yeah, this is the first class only. Yesterday, we'll discuss it, few topics. Same concept. If all students confirm your session, and I will take starting onwards. Just yesterday, we'll take 30 minutes class, and today also taking 30 minutes class. Yesterday topic
Okay.
is data warehousing concept. That one is theoretical concepts. That only I explained that in yesterday.
Okay.
If confirm your end, and then I will explain those concepts. Okay, no issues.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, team. I will close the session for today. If having any technical wise, I will explain, and the fee structure and durations and all these things you will check with the institute people. Okay.
Hey Ram, this is
In the
Shravani. Actually, I have a small question.
yeah,
Where
Kalyani, right? Yeah.
Shravani, where we will be executing all these commands?
In the Teradata, one window is there. Software is required. Okay.
Oh,
Once confirmed your end, I will guide you how to take the installation, all those things. And once complete the installation your end, then we will execute those queries in your laptop. Yeah.
okay.
I will close the session. Thank you. Thanks for joining. Thanks for attending.